We will learn in this class how to work with coordinates in AutoCAD and see how to configure the unit of measurement for the project. Mastering the use of coordinates is paramount to creating or editing projects with precise dimensionals. Come on, let's go. AutoCAD works with two types of coordinates, the Cartesian and the polar ones. Cartesian coordinates are formed by two values, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. Let's look at how to create geometries in this coordinate system by activating the line tracing tool, typing the letter L and typing Enter. Next, we confirm that the ortho mode option is active in the status bar, as this option facilitates the placement of the element to be traced on the Cartesian axis. Now we go to the Cartesian coordinates, typing the 0,0 values to inform the starting point of the line at the source of the program's coordinate system. Next, we type 1500 for x and 1000 for y, and we must always first enter the value in x, type comma, and then type the value in y. See that an inclined line has been entered. To insert a vertical line, we must enter the value 0 for x and then the value y that will be the length of the line. To insert a horizontal line, we must enter the value of the line length and then the value 0 for y. See that by entering the value 0 for x and 500 for y we enter a line with height of 500 vertically, and reversing the order we insert a horizontal line with size 500. We type Escape to exit the line command. To work with polar coordinates, we must activate the polar tracking mode. Enter a value for the length of the line, the minus sign, and the value for the angle of inclination. We activate the line tool and click anywhere in the graphic area. Now we enter the value 1000, the sign of less than, and the value of the angle 0. See that a horizontal line has been created. We will now report the value of 500, the sign of less than, and the angle of 60 degrees. See that we have inserted a line inclined at 60 degrees, with a length of 500. We type Escape to exit the line command. As we have seen, the difference between Cartesian and polar coordinates is only in the form of insertion of their values. In addition to using these coordinate systems, we can enter absolute or incremental coordinates. Absolute coordinates use as a basis to define distances from the point of origin of the program. Whenever this type of coordinate is used, we must insert the game symbol of the old woman at the beginning of the coordinate. Let's look at an example, activating the line tool and orthogonal mode. We inform the coordinate 0, 0 to start the line at the source of the program. We inform the match coordinate of the old 0, 500, and another match coordinate of the old 300, 500. See that we have inserted a line of length 300 in x, positioned at the height of 500 in y. The incremental coordinates, in turn, use as a basis to define the distances the last given point. The symbol used to enter this type of coordinate is the @ Here, positive values in x set the line to the right and negative values in x position the line to the left. Positive values in y position the line up and negative values in y position the line down. We will continue the layout of this geometry using this coordinate system. We activate the line tool and click on the end shown. We type at -500, 0 to insert a left-oriented line. We enter another coordinate, typing at 0, -200. See that the line has been oriented downwards. It is worth remembering that absolute and incremental coordinates can be used with both Cartesian and polar coordinates. Let us now configure the unit of measure used in the project. To do this, we click on the Application button and click Options. In the window that opens, we click on the User Preferences tab and in Insertion Scale we define, in these two fields, the unit of measurement to be used in projects. We have confirmed the configuration by clicking OK. And so we concluded our lesson, where we learned about the coordinate systems used in the program and saw how to configure the unit of measurement used in the projects.